Welcome to our exciting adventure through one of the most beloved and budget-friendly grocery stores around, Aldi. Join me as we explore the aisles, uncover incredible deals and tips and tricks along the way. Aldi's known for its unique shopping experience where quality meets affordability. Aldi has something for everyone. So grab your quarter, your shopping cart, your bags, and let's dive into the Shop With Me Aldi video, where we'll discover what you can expect to find and the delightful surprises that await us in every aisle. Get ready to save big without compromising on quality, because at Aldi, every shopping trip is a treasure hunt, so let's go. Step into the vibrant world of Aldi's produce department, where an array of fresh fruits and vegetables await you. Aldi takes pride in sourcing top-notch produce at affordable prices, making it their go-to destination for health-conscious shoppers. Imagine biting into a cosmic crisp apple with its perfect balance of sweet and tart flavors and a satisfying crunch with every bite. And don't miss out on the cotton candy grapes, nature's candy that will transport you back to childhood with a remarkably sweet cotton candy-like taste. If you're a fan of strawberries, Aldi's will delight you with their strawberries nearly the size of your hand. Get ready to hunt for the ultimate deals at Aldi, marked by the iconic red sale stickers. As you explore the aisles, keep your eyes peeled out for these eye-catching red labels signaling incredible discounts and savings. Aldi goes beyond just groceries and surprises its shoppers with a delightful array of seasonal items. As you wander through the aisles, you'll come across an impressive selection that cater to the changing seasons, from beautiful bouquets of flowers and plenty of flowering shrubs. Welcome to Aldi's condiment aisle. Be prepared to be amazed by the selection of copycat salad dressings and specially curated lines of condiments that will take your meal to the next level. Aldi's commitment to quality extends even to their mayonnaise, a hidden gem that rivals the expensive name brands. Don't miss the opportunity to taste Aldi's own brand of mayonnaise, which stands tall among its pricier counterparts. And don't miss out on this honey, it is incredible. Aldi takes pride in its exceptional selection of breads, with their brioche bread and sourdough bread stealing the show. But Aldi doesn't just stop there. They cater to a variety of dietary needs with an impressive range of organic, gluten-free, and keto-friendly breads. Whether you're seeking a wholesome option, navigating gluten sensitivities, or following a low-carb lifestyle, Aldi has you covered. In 2015, Aldi made a significant and admirable decision that resonated with health-conscious consumers everywhere. They embarked on a mission to improve the quality of their products by eliminating red dye, added MSG, and partially hydrogenated oils from all of Aldi branded items. Aldi's cookie selection is a testament to their commitment to providing high-quality products at affordable prices. As you walk the aisle, you'll discover that most of the Aldi branded cookies are not only budget-friendly, but also offer a perfect example of tasting as good, if not better, than their pricier name brand counterparts. From classic chocolate chip cookies to decadent sandwich cookies, Aldi has you covered. While I don't always recommend Aldi's potato chips across the board, it's worth noting that there may be exceptions to this rule. If you're curious about which specific chips from Aldi I encourage you to watch my weekly recommendation videos. Through these videos, you'll discover which chips are worth buying and which ones are not. Aldi copycat nacho cheese tortilla chips are an absolute delight, capturing the essence of the popular name brand with a delicious twist. But Aldi doesn't stop there. Their pretzel game is strong. From traditional pretzels to unique pretzel twists and sticks, Aldi's offers a variety. Their tortilla chips are crisp, flavorful and perfect for dipping. And speaking of dipping, do not miss out on Aldi's Salsa. They have some of the most delicious salsas I've ever had. For the health-conscious individual seeking nourishing and quick options, Aldi has an array of healthy snack choices that will satisfy both your taste buds and your wellness goals. You'll discover specialty turmeric and ginger shots that pack a powerful punch of anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. Aldi also offers a selection of probiotic drinks, which are known for their gut-friendly properties and potential immune-boosting benefits. Whether you're reaching for a turmeric or ginger shot or enjoying a probiotic drink, Aldi's got you covered, and grab some of those salad bowls. Their baking aisle is if you're a baking enthusiast or simply want to whip up a delectable treat to impress your family, Aldi's baking aisle has you covered. One standout gem is their chewy fudge brownie mix, which consistently delivers exceptional results in some of the best brownies you'll ever taste. Additionally, their Live G-free biscuit mix offers a gluten-free option that doesn't compromise on taste. The baking aisle at Aldi is a treasure trove of great seasonings and spices that will elevate your creations to new heights. For those with gluten sensitivities or following a gluten-free diet, Aldi offers a selection of gluten-free pasta options, from classic spaghetti and penne to other unique shapes and sizes. Their gluten-free pastas provide a delicious alternative that doesn't compromise on taste or texture. Additionally, Aldi recognizes the growing popularity of plant-based diets and offers pasta alternatives to accommodate vegans and vegetarians. Their plant-based pasta varieties such as lentil pasta and chickpea pasta not only provide a good source of protein, but also a satisfying texture that closely resembles traditional pasta. Welcome to the famous Aisle of Shame at Aldi, a shopper's paradise where you can find unexpected treasures and irresistible deals. Aptly named, this aisle is a haven for those seeking unique and limited time items that are not typically part of Aldi's regular inventory. As you wander down the Aisle of Shame, you'll encounter an ever-changing assortment of exciting products ranging from home decor, kitchen gadgets, seasonal items, and specialty foods. It's a place of surprise and delight where you never know what hidden gems you might uncover. The Aisle of Shame has become a phenomenon, attracting loyal Aldi shoppers eager to discover the latest finds and share their exciting hauls. While I'm shopping the Aisle of Shame, let's talk about their twice as nice guarantee. Aldi's commitment to customer satisfaction shines through their twice as nice guarantee. If for any reason you're not completely satisfied with an Aldi branded food or product, they promise to replace the item and refund your money. You just need your receipt for this. This guarantee not only provides peace of mind, but also showcases their commitment to maintaining the highest standards of quality. Oh, and look at this. This is one of my favorites, the iced coffee maker. You will often see this in their Aisle of Shame, and it is a must-buy if you're an iced coffee queen like myself. This is a gorgeous ceramic and wood cutting board. They just have some of the most precious items. Here's a perfect example of the Haul It All tote, which is a great copycat of a more expensive, pricier item. And the quality, to me, is the same, if not better. Treat yourself. to something instead of overpaying. Aldi's juice department is also well stocked with tons of organic choices that await. Aldi understands the growing demand for healthier beverage options, and their commitment to providing a variety of organic juices is evident. When it comes to yogurt, Aldi truly is a standout with a selection that is second to none. Their yogurt options are not only delicious, but they offer a variety of flavors and styles to suit the different preferences. Here's some more outdoor living stuff. Seasonal, and it moves in and out quick. So these are the type of items that you will often see put on sale for incredible prices. Now let's look at the red bag chicken. This is one of their most iconic food items. This is a culinary masterpiece that has become beloved and favorite among all Aldi shoppers. Their bistro lasagna is also great. Here is a sample of some of the name brand Aldi items. Fuchsia brand, Sunday Shop brand. Those are Aldi branded items. The Deutsche, I know I'm saying that wrong. Aldi originates from Germany. So you're going to find a wide variety of German treats and specialty foods without having to travel all the way over to Germany to taste it. Aldi's fresh salmon is a crowd pleaser that never fails to impress. Renowned for its quality and taste. In addition to their seafood, their meat department is well stocked with a wide variety of meats and chickens at reasonable prices. This is another area you're going to want to look for those red stickers. You will quite often find meat, chicken, and salmon discounted at 50% off. This is what you call an Aldi Score. So keep your eyes peeled on that department. It does not disappoint. Aldi has an amazing frozen seafood department. This seafood boil is incredible. I can pretty much say all of Aldi's frozen seafood is well loved, great tasting, and a high quality. You really can't go wrong with the frozen seafood. Here are some more samples of Aldi branded items: the Priano, the Simply Nature, the Happy Farms. So these are items you're not going to find that added MSG or the red dye, the hydrogenated oils. You have that guarantee. Millville is an amazing brand and also a perfect example of tastes better than name branded products. You cannot go wrong buying Aldi cereal. Here are just some more samples of the German delectable treats that you will find at Aldi. Another one of their brands, the Berman brand, is an excellent brand of wonderful sauces and variant. Oh, and let's not forget the Lacora. That is an excellent anti-aging cream. So now Aldi was one of the originators of self-bagging. They have this entire shelf there to make it easy and convenient for you to do your self-bagging without a problem at all. There's plenty of room. And there you have it. Just another wonderful, successful shopping experience at Aldi. Let's go ahead, fill up our car with our bags. I love my Aldi tote, but it is a two-hander, so I had to put down the camera. And now don't forget to return your cart. You're going to get your quarter back, but the most important part is that you're helping Aldi keep those costs down by not needing employees to go into the parking lot and chase all the carts back. So do your good deed, return your cart, grab your quarter back, and now we have true success. I'm putting my quarter back and I'm having a sip of my favorite Aldi peach tea.